Hey, it's Isaac with Release Aviation Cleaner, and we're here today to talk about the IK Foam Pro 2 Plus sprayer. Let's go ahead and get started. So today in front of me I have what we got out of the box. We have the sprayer, of course. We have the wet foam applicator, the dry foam applicator, the air chuck for hooking up an airline, extra foam pads, and 2 identifiers for identifying what product is in the container. So let's talk about the differences between the Foam Pro 2 Plus and let's say a 1.5 foamer. So one of the things that they did to improve this, they actually added a safety lock on the trigger handle right here. So you can pop this in and out to lock or unlock your trigger handle. And what that does is it prevents from accidentally bumping into the trigger and spraying your friend. One of the other key features that they added with the Foam Pro 12 and the Foam Pro 2 Plus is the ability to have an air compressor line hooked up to it. So that's where this air chuck comes in. You can take off the little black cover, and what you would do is you would take a key to remove this piece right here. This is just a temporary placeholder, and you would screw this piece in its place, and this would allow you to hook up the air compressor line to this so you don't have to constantly pump to keep your container pressurized. IK also includes a couple different devices depending on what type of foam that you're trying to make. This orange one, for example, here is creating a more wet foam, whereas the green one is creating a drier foam. They also send along these 2 product identifiers here, which goes on the end of the handle like so. This allows you to determine what product, if you have a color coding system, is inside of your container. If you ever do need to replace the felt inside of your foamer, all you have to do is unscrew this portion on the front of the foamer, take out this device, and inside of here you'll see the little white puck, and you'll be able to get that out, and then you just pop one of these out of the mold and replace this white foamer inside of here, and then just repeat, put this back in, and screw it back on. Let's go check out this Foam Pro 2 Plus in action. The Foam Pro 2 Plus sure sprays some awesome foam. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to comment below and we'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching today's video.